Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm gonna actually talk about the blog post, how to write a blog post. From everything, I'm gonna show you how you can rank your Shopify blog. Everything I'm gonna show you step by step. I have a Shopify agency. If you don't know who I am, my name is Farad. I'm a founder of Creative Web Boost. So if I show you my agency, just you need to write the Creative Web Boost, CRE. If you write like it is already in front of me, you can see here. So I'm the founder of City Creative Web Boost. We are helping every business owner to grow their business step by step. So right now, I'm working on my client business. I'm also partner of the business. Like I'm working with him like a partner. I work every business like a partner, especially this business because this is my starter client and I really loved him work. So if I show you my client website, Nandai store, just if I did SEO very good. If I actually search only the Nandai, my client store so front of me, I guarantee you that. If you look at this, this is my client website. If I click the Nandai store, so you will see the Nandai. Okay, so this is the website I built for my client. If you don't believe this I built or not, so I'm gonna show you the access that I have of this store. Okay, so look at this. So if I go to the preview from the dashboard, guys, you're gonna see the result. Okay, so I'm gonna also chat like this is the website. I want to rank the website. This is already good ranking, but I want to do more. Okay, I want to do every index very well, everything. I'm gonna do everything, man. Just all you have to do, just I'm gonna and I will show you how you can use the ChatGPT everything for your business. So if you have any question about your business, all you have to do, just you need to come to my agency website. You need to click on the message, then WhatsApp. You can reach out in just a few second writing. Okay, that's the main thing. Let's come to the main point. So, first of all, to grow your blog post, you need to do one thing. Do you know what it is? It is like you have to add the internal link each blog page. It is very very essential, guys. If you believe or not. So whenever you do index in your like SEO page or whatever it is, Google Search Console, whenever you go and then if you public your website and then you give the URL into the Google sitemap and whatever it is you're doing, so if you page is still the internal link, Google can easily do the very quick what can I say, very quick indexing. So it's very helpful to index all the page very quick. This is the tip. So try to do each page indexing very well. So there's a thing like where we can actually link up, like for example you create a website like you already did a Google Search Console, but you create a new page. How you will actually index this? So first of all you put just in the home page, try to link up this new page that you created. Okay, so once you do that, whenever actually Google will come and then try to index, like he start with the indexing with your like homepage, and then whenever he see the a new page in actually linking on the homepage, he directly go to this link and then he actually directly like index. So that's very important, guys. So you must need to do that. So if you believe or not, it's very important. Okay, and then also you can actually link up with the header menu, footer menu, whatever it is, right? And same thing, just you just at least have a one block link anywhere. Okay, so you just need at least one link anywhere like footer. So if you create a any page, there need to have at least one link. Like for example, I created a home page, I should link up with like a specific page. If I create the FAQ page, on the FAQ page I should link up like any specific word. Like since my client is Rajput Jewelry, I can actually add the Rajput Jewelry into the FAQ with on the answer or in the and the question wherever I add. Okay, so if I actually in indexing, so if I add something, it will be more better. Okay, that's the thing. So right now I want to make my client work automated system. So in this case, what can I do? I am actually writing the prompt. So I train ChatGPT. So I will say something like that. So based on my all the previous suggestion, like you given me a lot of suggestion, so can you actually give me a beautiful prompt so that I can actually use this prompt and to generate my all type of blog? And this actually should like Google should love my blog system. So to write a blog post, first of all I will give you the targeted keyword that like with this keyword I want to rank. So I will give you the targeted keyword, and based on that what you're gonna do, basically it's pretty simple and straightforward. So you have to do only one thing, like you give me SEO blog title. It's very essential. I'm not sure how many character it should be, but you know better than me. So all you have to do, just you need to mention into the prompt the SEO title. A blog post title should be like that, and description should be like that, and then include the description. Like what he gonna do, he will give me the like SEO content, and then also will give me the SEO blog page description. It's really essential than any other page. Okay, and how I'm gonna design basically. So I will actually give the SEO title in the very beginning, like as I discussed, and there I will design the whole page, and at the bottom I will show my description. I'm not gonna show my blog description at the very top because it's like looks like a blurry and it looks like a unnecessary and unprofessional. So at the very bottom I'm gonna show my blog page content. Okay, or every page description or whatever page, it might be blog, it might be a homepage content, it might be collection page, every page content I'm gonna show at the bottom. So this way my website will rank very quickly and very soon. That's exactly I want. So I want to do that. So can you actually write a prompt there? Actually, I will give my targeted keyword. Okay, like I want to rank a specific keyword. Okay, so I will give you the keyword, and then based on that you will write amazing content of the blog post, and then I will like I'm not gonna paste this blog post into the description, so there will be specific description, right? So there will be specific description, man. So there will be specific description. So all you have to do, you already see my client, actually lovely client messaging me. I really love him. So he actually like, his mindset like totally different than any others person. He's living from India. Oh, I actually giving this into the prompt. Let's mention into the prompt. Hey, I'm sorry, don't mention anything into the prompt about my client, because unfortunately I tell you about that. Okay, so yeah, go ahead and do that. Give me the prompt so that I can use this prompt. This will be unbelievable prompt. Okay, so as I discussed at the very top, and then also in how to write a blog post, I give you the some of the script and transcript from the YouTube and the Google and the lot of other CI tools. So do some research, and this structure should be very well, and the blog post content should be like people Google should love about that, so that's very important. So based on your top suggestion and then hard work, everything, give me an amazing prompt so that I can use that, and then I can be successful. And then I can easily rank, and Google algorithm really should love about me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Do it, and then I will discuss with you. So this way, guys, if you can actually work with the chat GPT, like who actually gonna stop you? No one actually gonna be able to stop you if you can use the AI properly. Like like this type of big prompt, who gonna give? So everyone will write very shortly. And even if someone actually give the voice, they cannot give in details, because they don't know what is indexing, what is like internal, external, like everything. They don't know anything. So this is only people can help. It's me and my team, because they already know about it, and then they already know how to use AI in today's digital age. If you cannot use AI, guys, believe or not, your business not gonna be grow. So look at this, how big prompt is. If I show you, maybe it's not clear, and maybe yeah, let me show you like that. Okay, so see how big is this, how big is this prompt. So this is the way to grow your business. You have to train like that, man. So you have to train like that. I hope you got it. So you have to grow your business this way. So I hope you really understand how you should grow. So let me show you what result I got. Let me tell you, let me listen you boys. Okay, so what actually I got, you'll listen. Okay, let's listen.
Below is the perfect prompt.
Okay, so my sound little bit decrease. I increase my sound so that you can see properly what result I got. So without understanding this, you cannot use properly AI, right? Let's
To
click
generate a
into
Google-loving, SEO-optimized blog post. Plus, bottom description exactly in the format you want. This prompt is designed based on SEO best practices, indexability, content quality, user experience, Google helpful content, your Shopify layout strategy, sections on top, long description at bottom. It is simple, powerful, and you only need to paste your keyword. Shh! The perfect universal blog prompt for you. Copy, save, use this every time. Ultimate Shopify SEO blog post prompt, Google Loves It edition. Target keyword.
So guys, how important is this? So this way you have to work like that. Like that 99% people actually never imagine. So this person, me can only because, and one more thing I want to tell you. I told to my client I'm gonna make him business like $1 million in revenue in a month or in a week. That's my goal. And I will make a very big team, like one team I will prepare only for my client, because he's my starter client. I will love my startup client. Okay, so I will make a big team for him, and then I will make her all the work automated. And even I go outside or for 1 month, his business will be continue. I want to make it like a system. So in future, whatever business I work with them, I will make the system like for them. I will make them automated at automation. Okay, and then even I'm learning, even I have a team member who know the AN8N. This is the automation tool system. I'm not sure, I don't learn anything about that, like, because your skill should be specific. If you want to learn everything in together, you're never gonna be successful. So that's the main thing, man. So I'm gonna use this prompt to write a blog, and then I believe if I use this blog, and then this blog actually train everything. So I hope you found this video really helpful. So if you have any more question about the blog writing Shopify SEO, just you need to come to my agency website, Intone over here, and you need to message me. It's very simple and straightforward, right? So that's pretty much it for today. So if you have any more question, just do a comment or whatever it is, just let me know. I will definitely help you to grow your business. And then if you want to get like this similar help, like AI chatting, and then give you the answer, please subscribe my channel. Or if you have any more question, reach out to me. I'm gonna definitely help you. And by the way, my really lovely client, why I'm talking about lovely, his mindset is totally different. He actually changed my total mindset. Okay, previously I had like a bad mindset, like I wouldn't help people. I won't give too much money to my team member. I will take a lot of work from our team member. I will pay them less. But this client actually totally changed my mindset. I really love him. I will never quit him. That's I believe. So that's pretty much it. So if you really like him, please let me know into the comment box. And then if you have any more question, let me know into the comment box. That's pretty much it. Or by the way, you have very easy option to reach out to me. Go to my agency website. You already know about that Creative Web Boost, right? So you can see the name very easy here, or you can see the name on turn over here logo. Okay. So if you have any question, reach out to me. I'm gonna definitely help you to grow your business. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day.